And we're back with Trooper for Iron Maiden. This is bass guitar. And, I'm looking at the tab for this Trooper song online, ultimateguitar.com. It's a version done by Steve Harris and transcribed by Eddie Breslin. It's pretty good. You should check it out. There are a few, minor revisions, and just based off of listening to the song, the intro riff, I kind of hear it instead of playing 3 3 3 1 3. It's kind of sounds like more like this 3 3 3 2 3. Anyway, this is one area that you can play that. However, in the song, it sounds a little bit more like it's played up here. And I haven't checked online videos for how they play it live, but I suspect it's an octave higher or a little bit higher. So you can play it here on the 14th fret and the 12th fret, starting there. And the main riff is kind of like, during the verses, when the guitar does doing, it's kind of has a very interesting rhythm. And it's kind of starts on E. Anyway, it has that interesting kind of like shuffle or swing rhythm. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. And I'm just using this one finger to play the 5th fret on the A string, the 5th fret on the D string. It's just pretty easy to do. Just lay it flat. And then slide. Good luck!